Everyone, I would like to welcome you all in this video. So today I'm gonna talk about process flow of textile fiber to garments, especially knitted garments. In the upcoming videos, I will share the classes for woven garments, sweaters, and other things. So it seems like we all know process flow chart normally, but in the interview, I found a lot of students become nervous and they fail to elaborate the very basic process flowchart. So let's start. Here you can see the process flowchart started from ginning to the finishing of garments, and in the left side we can see like what is the input, and the right side we can see what is the output of this process. So ginning is the process of removing seeds and waste from raw cotton ball, and the output is lint cotton. Yarn produces through a spinning process from lint cotton. Yarn dyeing is optional process and done only if there is a requirements of engineering stripe or yarn dyed fabrics. Next process after yarn dyeing or spinning is knitting, where knitted fabrics are manufactured from yarns with varieties of structure having different GSM. Fabric dyeing is one of the most important process where fabrics are colored based on demand from gray fabrics to dyed fabrics. Cut panel is output of cutting process where input is dyed or finished fabrics. Cut panel converted to garments through sewing process. Based on the buyer demand, sometimes they need garments washing. After washing, garments are sent to finishing process. There are several processes they need to go through like ironing and inspections, if required adding the labels and then packing, and then the finished garments are sent to shipment. Thank you all. Thanks for your patience. I'll see you in next videos.